Welcome to the English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, July 4, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. Busy day ahead.
Same here. Got a big meeting later?
Oh, meetings, always fun. Hey, did you hear about the new trade rules in Europe?
Yeah, I saw something about it. What's the deal?
They're making new rules to help small businesses. It's supposed to make trading easier with other countries.
That sounds good. Small businesses really need support.
For sure. Maybe it'll help us get more clients over there.
True, it could open new doors. I'll check the details later.
Good idea. If we get more clients, I'll be even busier.
You're always busy, David. But yeah, more work is good.
Totally. I mean, more clients, more sales, right?
Exactly. It could be a big chance for the company.
I hope so. I'm always looking for new leads.
You're good at that. I'm sure you'll find some.
Thanks, Alex. Gotta keep pushing, you know?
For sure, hard work pays off.
Yep. Hey, speaking of work, did you see that new app from the big tech company?
No, what app is that?
It's for managing tasks and schedules. They say it's super easy to use.
Oh, that could be helpful. I'm always juggling projects.
Right? I need something to keep my sales calls in order.
Does it connect with our office tools?
I think so. I'm gonna download it today and test it.
Let me know if it's good. I might use it for my team.
Deal. If it saves time, I'm all for it.
Time is everything in this job. We never have enough.
Ha! So true. I'm always running around like crazy.
I know the feeling. Deadlines are always so tight.
Yeah, this app might be a game changer. Fingers crossed.
I hope so. Anything to make work smoother?
Exactly. I'll tell you how it goes after I try it.
Thanks, David. I'm curious to hear about it.
No problem. Hey, did you hear about that huge music event happening abroad?
No, what's that about?
It's a massive concert in a big city. Tons of famous stars are performing.
Oh, that sounds fun. Who's gonna be there?
I think some really big names. It's all over the news.
I'd love to go to something like that. It's been ages since I saw live music.
Same here. Maybe we can watch it online or something.
Yeah, that'd be nice. I miss those kinds of events.
For sure. It'd be a nice break from all the office stress.
Totally. Music always helps me relax.
Hey, imagine if we got tickets through work. That'd be a cool bonus.
Dream on, David. But yeah, that'd be amazing.
Gotta dream big, right? Maybe one day.
Maybe. It would be a great team event.
Oh yeah, the whole office rocking out. That'd be funny.
I can't imagine some of our bosses dancing, can you?
Nope, that'd be too weird. I'd pay to see it though.
Me too. It'd be a good laugh.
Totally. Hey, speaking of work, how's your project going?
It's okay, just a lot of planning. What about your sales?
Pretty good, actually. Got a new client this week.
Nice, that's great news.
Thanks. Gotta keep the numbers up.
You always do? Keep it up.
I try. It's not easy, but I like the challenge.
That's a good attitude. Challenges make us better.
True. Hey, got any tips for dealing with tough clients?
Just listen to them a lot. It helps to understand their needs.
Good point. I'll try that next time.
It usually works. People like to feel heard.
Yeah, makes sense. Thanks for the advice.
Anytime we're all in this together.
For sure. Hey, got any plans after work?
Not really, just relaxing at home. You?
Same. Probably just watch some TV. Need to recharge.
Sounds like a plan. Rest is important.
Totally. I'm wiped out by the end of the day.
I get that. Long days take a lot out of us.
Yep. Coffee helps though. This stuff is my fuel.
Same here. I can't start without it.
It's the best part of the morning, hands down.
Agreed. It's like a little break before the chaos.
Exactly. Hey, speaking of breaks, I might take a quick walk later.
Good idea. Fresh air helps clear the mind.
Yeah, I need that sometimes. Too much screen time.
I know. Staring at the computer all day is tough.
Tell me about it. My eyes get so tired.
Mine too. A walk might help with that.
Hope so. I'll let you know if it works.
Please do. I might join you next time.
Cool. The more the merrier. It's a deal.
Great. It's nice to step away for a bit.
For sure. Hey, back to that trade news. Do you think it'll change much for us?
Maybe in the long run. It depends on the details.
Yeah, I just hope it means more business. That's all I care about.
I get that. More business is always good for everyone.
Exactly. More work, more money, right?
Right. Let's hope it works out.
Fingers crossed. I'll keep an eye on the updates.
Me too. It's important to stay informed.
Yep. Hey, about that app, what kind of features do you need most?
I need something for tracking deadlines. What about you?
Same, and maybe reminders for calls. I forget sometimes.
Oh, reminders are key. I need those too.
Cool, I'll check if it has that. I'll tell you later.
Thanks. It'd be great to have one app for everything.
Totally. Less mess, less stress.
Exactly. Simplicity is the best.
Yep. Hey, about that concert, do you have a favorite band or singer?
I like a lot of old rock bands. What about you?
I'm into pop stuff. Catchy songs get me going.
Nice. It's fun to have different tastes.
For sure. Maybe we'd like different parts of the concert.
Probably. It'd still be fun to watch together.
Oh yeah, we'd have a good time anyway.
Definitely. It's all about the vibe.
True. Hey, I better get back to my desk soon.
Yeah, me too. Got a lot to do.
Always. See you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too. Take it easy.
Thanks. Don't work too hard.
No promises. Catch you later.
Catch you later. Good luck with your day.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.